Well, what's up everybody and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we have a special delivery for my new manual Toyota Supra. You might be able to tell by the packaging. This is a brand new set of wheels and tires for the Supra. Now, I ordered all of this from Fitment Industries, and the reason why I order things from them, if you order wheels and tires, they come mounted and balanced. Needless to say, the Supra can't exactly fit wheels and tires inside of it, and it would be a huge pain in the butt to have to figure out how to get things to the shop, get the stock wheels back home, all that thing. But when you order from Fitment Industries, they come ready to rock for your car. My wife's Audi S3, same deal. We got ESR wheels, Michelin tires on her car. And before we unveil them, we got a sweet set of ESR wheels and Michelin tires wrapped up in this packaging for the Supra. So I'll have Fitment Industries down below. They are literally your one-stop shop for wheels, tires, suspension, and all sort of things like that. That's where I got my springs from, the spacers from, to get this car set up like this. But now it's time for these custom wheels to go on the car and get those wider tires to put that power to the ground a lot better. I have not unpackaged these yet, so I am so excited about ripping open the packaging to see what wheels I went with. Comment below before I go any further in the video. What color do you think I went for the Supra? Oh man, okay, these are sick. So I will continue to tease you guys as I get the last bit of foam out of the plastic. Oh my gosh, you guys cannot see them yet. So I'm going for more of like a track focused look. Oh my gosh, this is gonna look so good on the car. So we got these ESR wheels, a nice 5-spoke, kind of a thicker 5-spoke design. And of course, I had to go bronze. I love bronze wheels because they're just different. Everyone does black, everyone does silver. I had red on my old Supra and bronze at one point, but this design is so cool. Comment below, what do you guys think of these ESR wheels? So there we go, unboxing the new ESR wheels for the Supra. So here is a better look at them. We have the rears on this left side and the fronts over here. As you can tell, of course, we got this satin matte bronze, really cool design. I love like this thick 5-spoke. Of course, going with Michelin tires, the Pilot Sport 4S's. So we got 295 35s in the back, and then up front, we were going with 275 35s. So with everything off, here's a good look at the stock 2023 wheels, of course with those H&R 15mm spacers. And then we got the new front ones, which are 19x10s, and then the new rears are 19x11s. So a pretty drastic difference as far as even just the spoke design and everything. It's gonna be a pretty good look for the car. I think that'll be pretty sweet. So we are all done with the installation now. Got all 4 ESR CR5 wheels on the Supra. So the actual specifications, these front ones are 19x10 plus 35. The rears are 19x11 plus 25. And of course we have a 275 tire, 295 in back. Now I was a little concerned with the front being a little bit too far inset. They do just barely touch the lower section where the spring sits. So I did go ahead and reuse my 15mm wheel spacers up in front just to clear that, and they do sit nice and flush. Now these wheels only came in a few specific sizes and I really wanted them. I thought they'd look really cool. So I went ahead and rocked with this setup. I think my other option for up front was a much more aggressive offset, and I think that would have been too much. All right, there we go. Car is out of the driveway. Didn't hear any rubbing or anything like that, so I think the 15mm spacers might actually be good. Probably still go 10mm, I think, just to bring it in just a tad. But overall, I'm loving the look. Fitment looks really, really spot on with everything. Loving the bronze color. Tires and everything just sit so flush. I don't think you could get better fitment than that, quite honestly. It has kind of like that race car design too, with just a really thick 5-spoke. But super, super cool. Comment below, what do you guys think of the new wheel design on the Supra? I think those look so cool. As far as exterior rolling diameter, these are only about 7mm taller overall. So basically the car is going to sit 3mm higher than the way it sat with the stock wheels. So pretty good size and spec overall. Time for a quick spin. All right, so just a few little pulls, driving back and forth in the car. Everything feels pretty good on the wheels and tires. I think when I hit some big bumps, I hear just a slight scrape up front, just hitting the fender liner. Not the biggest of deals, but I think 10mm spacers will solve that. So I will probably tone that down to 10 rather than the 15. Other than that, back is definitely fine. Getting into my sharp curb here of the pool, and nothing rubs or anything like that. So definitely a pretty good setup for the car. So there we go, all done with these new ESR wheels on the Toyota Supra. I am loving the new style. It's everything I envisioned, quite honestly. Just that really tight together 5-spoke design. I think it really fits the car nicely. Just gives it that like race car vibe or something like that. I think the color's nice too. It's kind of a dark, subtle bronze, so it's not too crazy in your face. And actually, I kind of like the red mirror caps, I think, with it. You got the calipers, of course, the sticker. So it's a pretty good setup. And I like how concave the back is. Like, they're really far inside. So it's got a pretty cool design for the actual wheel itself. But comment below, what are you guys thinking of the Supra's new look? I think it's coming together really well. Check out Fitment Industries. They are the place to order wheels and tires. And the fact that they could get shipped to your house, mounted and balanced, you don't have to worry about going to a shop and everything. That is the most convenient way possible. And as far as the CR5s go, really good specs overall. And like I said, they only come in a few different sizes, so I kind of had to go with something where I would use a wheel spacer. But of course, having wheel spacers with the hub centric ring and all that stuff built into them, super perfect to run, no big deal. But I am definitely liking it. I think Supra's coming together, especially for being a black car. I'm not the biggest fan of black cars in general, but I think this thing is coming together with this color combination. The stance with these H&R lowering springs is like spot on with these wheels. They fill out the fender arch perfectly. And of course, the Michelin tires. I have Michelins on all of my cars. I am a huge fan of them. On my GTR 700 horsepower car, I think I have these exact same tires and it hooks so well. On my wife's Audi S3, we have Michelin's all-season tires and they are fantastic for that car. So we went with the grippier ones for the Supra, of course. That way the rear wheel drive can put the power to the ground. But I am loving it. ESR wheels, Michelin tires, great way to go. And I like ESR wheels because they don't really break the bank, so it's a pretty good affordable way to get a nice set of wheels. But that is it then for today's video, putting new shoes on the Toyota Supra. Check out Fitment Industries down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next video.